You've announced the closure of your Tivana line of stores, which are mostly in malls, right? And, you know, the future of retail is changing. If everyone's at home shopping on Amazon, what does that mean for Starbucks?
Well, the good news for Starbucks is we are and always have been a consumer destination, and we think that's one of the key ingredients in retail going forward. Is that we continue to innovate in a way that customers want to come visit versus us trying to intercept traffic in a mall. And so as a result, you know, this last year we've built over 2,000 new Starbucks stores at a time when there's record closures of stores by other retailers. And those stores are posting higher AUVs than they have than prior generations. And so our ability to continue to innovate, to create a great retail experience in our stores, our ability to extend that experience from the brick and mortar to the digital mobile experience are the two key ingredients that we think will power us forward into the future.
Markets around the world are becoming saturated. They've got their coffee now. You know, it's putting pressure on accelerating your expansion in countries like China. What's the plan there? How much faster can you go?
Well, China is our second largest and fastest growing market. And we're now at about 2,800 stores in China. And we are going to build we've committed to build more than 500 new stores a year for the next 5 years. China is the biggest growth opportunity before us. Now, the U.S. will continue to grow. The U.S. and China are the two growth engines for Starbucks. And we can build new stores in China for decades and still have opportunity for growth there.
Starbucks has never really figured out food. How do you get there?
Well, I'd say we have figured out portions of food, and we continue to evolve. In fact, 5 years ago, we acquired La Boulange, which provided the French baked goods that are in our bakery case and breakfast sandwiches. And since we acquired La Boulange and deployed a frozen supply chain to upgrade the quality of food in the bakery case, our food sales as a percentage of revenue in the U.S. has grown from 16% to 21%. Now we're innovating around the lunch day part. We just launched fresh food items, a new lunch menu culinary experience called Mercado in Chicago and Seattle. And so we're seeing good reception from customers. So it's a journey, and we will continue to elevate the quality of our food both in the morning and the afternoon day parts.